AI for Kids, a friendly first look. Hi friends, ready to explore something amazing together? Have you wondered how your phone answers your questions? Smart apps seem to know what you like, almost like magic. Let's explore the magical world of artificial intelligence. AI means teaching computers to think and learn like humans. It's like giving your computer a brain for solving problems. AI helps apps understand what's happening around them. Example: Hey Google, what's the weather today? The AI thinks, then shows today's weather on the screen. On screen, AI equals artificial intelligence. On screen, machines that learn and think like humans. Great job! Now you know what AI means and how it helps.